Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up smart lock to keep your device unlocked while it's on you on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on lock screen. Then what you want to do is tap on smart lock. And in here, we are going to put in the PIN or password. And next, tap on body detection. Then tap on the switch to turn it on. Now tap on continued. And that's it. It is now turned on. Now say that if you are using these features, and if the device is unlocked, and if someone got hold of it, then they could use your device because the phone can't actually tell if it's you or someone else is holding the phone. So while this feature can bring you more convenience, it can also reduce the security level of the device. So just be aware of that when you are using your phone. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. For now, I'm just going to switch it off because of the security feature. And then tap on the home key to return to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.